All right. So try the number 1. You have two guys, Harry and Terry, are each told to calculate 8 minus 2 plus 5. Harry got the correct answer. Terry ignores the parentheses and calculate 8 minus 2 plus 5. Yeah, it's going to be wrong answer. If Harry's answer is H, Terry's answer is T, what is their difference? Can you guys try this one?
A.
Harry is correct. This was the correct one. What's the answer for this one? 8 minus parentheses 2 plus 5. How much is that? 2 plus 5 first. That is 7. Now 8 minus 7 is 1, right? That is Harry's value. So H equals 1. Now Terry's, this is Terry's. 8 minus 2 is the first. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is about 11, right? This is Terry's value. So H minus T, not T minus H. H minus T is what is there? H is 1, T is 11. How much is this one?
Minus 10.
That's right, minus 10 is the answer, right? Yeah, that's the way you can find the answer. All right. Any questions on this one? Number 1, it's okay. All right, now try number 2. Okay, everybody try number 2, okay?
E.
All right, Paul's also 35% had a basket full of 5-cent coins. Okay, 5 cents, 10 cents, and 25 coins he can use to pay her. What is the difference between the largest and smallest number of coins he can use to pay her? What I miss? How we got the E? Can you explain to me?
So if you're gonna pay the smallest, you need 5 times 7. So 7. And if you're gonna pay with the least amount of coins, and you need 25 or 25 cents and the 10 cents. So 7 minus 5. No, minus 2.
A little confused, right?
No, so if you're paying it with the largest amount of coins.
Number of coins. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so if you use 5-cent coins, we need like 7 of this one, right? 35 cents, smallest one. So we need what 7 coins or 5 cents, right? So 7 nickels actually. Okay. And what's next? Oh, 125 coins, 1 quarters, and 1 dimes. That is 25 plus 10 cents is going to be 35 cents. But in this case, we use what? 2 coins. This is 7 coins. This is 2 coins. That's when you find what difference of these two numbers, right? So 7 coins minus 2 coins is 5 coins. Excellent. Good job. Victoria, you understand?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, try number 3 now. Try, you can read questions and try number 3, okay? Assignment is to read the book. She read the average 36 pages per day, every day for 6 days, per day for the first 3 days. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or what, average 36, 36, 36, something like that. All right. The next 3 days, 1, 2, another 30 days is 44, 44, 44, 44. And then she finished the books by reading 10 pages on the last day. They used the 10 days. How many pages were in the book? Okay, can you find the number of books?
I got B.
Yeah, B is correct, right? You can add more, right? 3 times 36 is 108. 44 times 3 is about 132, another 10. Or add one is what, 250, right? Okay, very good. Now try number 4. Sum of 2 prime numbers is 85. Yeah, 2 prime numbers 85. What is the product of this prime number? Can you find the 2 prime numbers in there? Try this one. What is the prime number? Not product, sum. This is a prime number, and another prime number is 85.
83 and 2.
Oh, 83 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, right? Because this is what? Odd number. Odd number, prime number is they are all even number, right? They are odd number, right? Except 2. 2 is only even. Or the other one is odd. So if they odd plus odd is already odd, right? But this is an odd number. I'm sorry, odd plus odd is already even, right? Odd plus odd, already even. But this is an odd number, 85. That means odd. One of the numbers should be even prime number. 2 is only even prime number, or other one is an odd number, okay? So this one should be 2, and the other number is 83. We know that 83 is a prime number, okay? Now product means multiply this number 2 times 83 equals 166, okay? Excellent. Very good. Try number 5 now. Try number 5, okay?
$160. So C.
160. Yep, I think that is correct. That is correct. Victoria, you got that answer?
I'm still doing it.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. $1 gallon is $4. You spend what, $20. So how many gallons can you buy?
Yeah, I got C.
Yeah, this is a 5 gallon, right? Okay, 20 is about 5 times over 4. That's why 1 gallon times 5 is 5 gallons. But 1 gallon travel 32 miles. We have 5 gallon there. 32 times 5 gallon. 160 miles they can drive. Okay, choice C is correct. Excellent. All right, number 6. We have 6 rectangles, each with a common base. Width of 2 have length, or length is they are all different. They are all different. They are the common bases. They are all 2. All 2. But length is different. This is a 1, this is a 4, this is a 9, 16. 25, 36. What is the sum of the area of 6 rectangle? Okay, try this one. Number 6. Number 6 is not hard, okay?
D 182.
Yep. I think it is correct, right? Okay. 2 times 1. So 2 times 1. So you can use the 1 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 9 plus 2 times 25 plus 2 times 36. Okay. Or you can separate, okay? 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 25 is 50, 2 times 36 is what, 72. You can add more, right? This is 10. This one is what, 90. 90 plus 10 is what? 100. That's right. And the 50. Oops. 149. Forgot the 16 over here, right? Okay. So another one. This is 90. This is 10. 100, 150, but we still have right 16 over here, right? 32. So total is 180. Okay. D is correct. Good job. All right, the next one, number 7 now. Try number 7. There are 4 more girls than boys. Always, well, boys, 1 boy there, there's 4 more. Girls is 5 people.
D
2 boys, there are what? 6 girls, something right there, right?
B.
Okay, very good. Victoria, do you understand the questions?
Yeah.
All right. Maybe you can use, okay, algebra. If the boys is X, girls is 4 more than X. So girls maybe you can express it by X plus 4, right? Is okay? X plus 4. Or always what girl is what 4 more. When you take a 4 from here, 24, isn't it? Now they have right same number, 12, 12. Okay, 12, 12. But girls is about 4 more. This is about 16 and 12. Okay, you can divide it by 4, 4 to 3. Or you can add this algebra. X plus 4 plus X is what? 2X plus 4 is 28. 2X equals 24. X equals 12. You can solve it this way too. Okay, but this is a little bit shortcut, right? Always what girls is 4 more. When you take a 4 over here, now 24 is what? There are same number of girls and boys. So each one is what? 12, 12, okay? But girls is 4 more, is 12 plus 4 is 16. Still boys is 12, okay? Which is a 4 to 3. You can solve this way too. Very good. Excellent. Number 8. 11 members of middle school math club each paid was same integer amount for guest speaker to talk about problem solving at their math meeting. Integer amount. Each paid integer amount for the guest speaker. It paid what the guest speaker $182. So what is missing is the A of 3-digit numbers. They said 11 members. 11 members.
D 3.
D3. Okay, can you explain to me?
Yeah, so the only only multiple of 11 that ends in That ends in 2.
Excellent. Because what that is 11, they're gonna pay, right? Same integer amount, same integer. So this number should be multiple of 11. That's the idea, right? So put this number 0. 102 is a multiple of 11? No. Because that is what 3 digits, right? First digit is 1. Maybe 11 times 10, maybe 110, or 11 times 11 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. It will be okay, right? The next one is 1 times 12 is 132, right? Okay. So 122, 112, 142 is not multiple of 11. Only 132 is a multiple of 11. You can check out quickly, right? 11 is what? 11, 22, 2, 22 equals 0. Okay, that's what we have to choose what? 3, okay? Yeah, the letter A has the value of 3, okay? Very good. All right, try number 9, we have a triangle. This is a point in there, but such that this is given, okay? BD equals CD. Where is BD and CD? This is isosceles. Isosceles. Isosceles is the same length, or this one may be same measure of angle, okay? We said base angle, all right? What is the measure degree of ADB? How much is it? That is not hard, right? You can do that.
B.
D,
B.
B.
Oh, wait. No, D.
Oh, which one is correct?
It's D because, yeah, the angle over there is 40.
Yeah, okay. This is 40, right? Because what total interior angle of a triangle is 180. This is 70, 70, 140. The last one should be 40. Now their sum is 180. But this angle is about 180 minus 40, which is supplementary. We said what? Supplementary, right? Some of these angles is 180 degree. This one should be equal to 140. Or actually, this angle, sometimes we set exterior angle. Exterior angle. This exterior angle is actually equals to what? Sum of non-adjacent. This is adjacent angle, not this one. Non-adjacent, or sometimes you said remote angles. Sum of these two angles must be equal to this one. So 70 plus 70 equals 140, right? That's the way you can find the exterior angle theorem. Okay, exterior angle. For example, when you have a triangle over here, this angle, when you extended the one over the side, extended this angle, we set exterior angle. This inside angle is what? Interior angle, okay? But this exterior angle is actually equals to what? Angle A plus B. Sum of two remote angles, okay? Always what? Exterior angle equals angle A and angle B, okay? This we set exterior angle theorem, okay? All right, now move on number 10 now. Now, can you guys try number 10?
I got
M shade. Oh, okay, go
B.
ahead.
I got B.
Oh, you got B.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that is correct. Let me check. 12 is old, right? Oh, no, a little, one different. Can you find this one? In what year was Samantha born? In 1985. the first one AMC 8. I'm gonna write that. 1985 AMC 8 first. Start. From here, he turned what? 12 or 12 is older than, right? He took the seventh. Seventh is what is it? This is the first. Seventh is what is it? Plus 7 is what? 1992 year, he took what? AMC 8, 7th AMC 8. Is it true or false? Can you try this one? 1992 is about 7th AMC 8 or 1993 or 1991? Which one is correct? Okay, 1985, you gotta be very careful. 1986, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. This is the first. Second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 91 is 7. 90, 92 is not. You gotta be careful because what the first year is 1 already. This guy's 1 already. Okay. So when you add what 7 is, what is it? You have to add 6. Their difference is 6. This is 1 over here. 6 difference is gonna be 1 plus 6 is 7's test. You guys can figure out, or you can write down over here. Okay. That is 1991 is 7th test. But this year, 1991, he sees what, 12 years old. Okay. So what year he was born? 1991 minus 12, isn't it? Okay, 1991 minus 12. Because what? 1991, he's 12 years. When you take 12, he is what? 0. Okay. Is it okay? Born is what 0 is, so no problem. So 91, I'm going to 91, 19, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83. Don't be confused, okay? This is what 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Born is what 0 year. Okay, that's why we subtract 12. No problem at all. Is it okay? So 1979 is the answer. Is it okay? 0 years. This is a little bit confused, right? Confused. But you can check it out this way, okay? All right, to make sure. John, Victoria, are you okay?
Yeah.
All right,
Yes.
all right. If you think they're confused, do this way, okay? Write down the number, okay? Find out, okay? All right, number 11. Try the number 11. Okay, Jack wants to buy from his house. So Jill's house, which is located 3 blocks east, 2 blocks. Okay. Right. This one is a little hard, but if you know this one, there's a formula, but no more hard. Okay. Looks like this way. Located 2 blocks. Oh, no. 3 blocks east. So it looks like this one. I'm gonna make it this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, 3 blocks east, 2 blocks north, 3 blocks east, 2 blocks north. That's right. After biking each block, Jack can continue east and north. You can continue east or north, not back, not west. That is not allowed. You know what I mean? So you can go only what? To the north and to the east. You cannot go this way. You can go this way, this way, this way. This is fine. What about this one? This way, this way. This is no good. This is no good. That's one. This one, okay? So this is no good. Always what? Move to the right and north. The next move to the right and north. Okay? On north, move to the right. That's enough. You cannot, right? From here, you cannot go to the left. You cannot go to the down. That's the rule. I'm going to delete this, okay? That's it. So, in how many ways can reach the Gears house by biking a total of 5 blocks? How many ways from here to get, from here, point A to get point B? The number of paths. This we said number of paths. But there's a rule. Maybe you can count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's okay. This one or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is okay. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is okay. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, how many paths? I forgot. How do I calculate that? Okay, now let's study this one. This one is very number formula. We said what number? We said this is we said number 1 formula. Well, I said number 1. Okay, I told you. Oh, we're gonna have some practice over here, right? Number 1 formula. Okay. This is very interesting formula, okay? Now I'm gonna make it big. Number 1 formula, what that means. So we start from here, right? We start from here. You can go to the right, we can go to up. We have one choice. You can go this way, you can go this way. This is a 1 and 1, one choice. We're gonna use a number 1, okay? There are just several ways, okay? After this, I'm gonna give you another way, okay? This number 1 over here. But this number, there's no adding, right? There's no add number. So this number going up or to the right. This number 1 going to the north and going to the what, east. But this number, 1 arrived over here. This number can go up 1, to the right 1, 2. Okay. Now at this point, what happened? 1 move to the right, 1 move up from the bottom of here. So at this point, what? 1 plus 1 is 2, isn't it? And these numbers 2. Now these 2 can go 2 choice, right? Can go to the right, to the up, okay? To the right, to the up. But this one over here, they can go 1 over here, to the right is 1 over here. At this point, they have a what? 1 from left, 2 from bottom. They're gonna move up, move to the right, and 1 plus 2, they're gonna meet over here, right? 3, isn't it? Yes? That is 3. Okay, this is move to the right 1. Okay, this is 1 over here now. This one can go 2 choice, 1 north or south. At this point, how much? Same as this one, right? 1 plus 2 is 3. This is going up here. The 3 is what it is. Move up 3 can go north or move to the east. Okay. So this going to over here 1, move to the 1 over here or north to the 1. Okay. But check out this point. What happened? This point is how much? 3. Move to the right. Another 3. Move to the north. 3 plus 3 is at this point, the not number is 6. Wow. Very interesting, right? Now this number moved to the right, this number moved to the up. At this point, they have some of this number. 3 plus 1 is 4. That's all. This 4 moved to the right, we don't care. We just care about what? Move to the up, move to the what? Right. At this point. So 6 plus 8 is how much? 10, right? Yeah, that's the answer, 10 there. That's the answer. Okay. This is, you can use a numbering, but this is very useful method, okay? Do you follow me? Okay, can you guys try to, we're gonna some practice using this number, okay? Okay, I'm gonna be here 3 by 3. 3 by 3 block. Always you have to move right to the right or to the up north. Okay, that's the rule. Now this is the point A and the point B. So how many different paths are I moving from point A to B? Can you guys find this number using the number 1? Okay, try this one. You guys understand? Just use your number 1. If there's no adding, this number 1 is what? Also have some choices. Okay, try one more time, okay? You got the number 1 over here, you can move to the right, move to the up. But still there's no adding number, right? There's no adding number. This guy can go to the right, to the north, okay? This guy says 1 over here can move to the right 1, north 1, right? But at this point, what happened? 1 plus 1 is 2 now, isn't it? They add these numbers, okay? But these numbers can move up or move to the right. From here, this is 1 stair. This number 1 move to the north, move to the right. But still this is number 1 over here, right? All the way to number 1. But at this point, what happened? 2 plus 1 is 3. It's okay? These 3 can move up to the right and can go to the east. What happened over here? 3 plus 1 is what? At this point, the sum of the numbers is now 4. Okay, take this one. No adding numbers, so this one is still 1. This can go, this is 1, to the right is 1. What happened over here? 1 plus 2 is 3, isn't it? Sum of 2 numbers is added up. That is now 3. This 3 can move right to the right is 3, to the north is 3. At this point, what is that? 1 plus 3 is 4 is now, right? They are adding the numbers. This 4 can move only what? To the right. What happened over here? What happened over here? 3 plus 3 is 6. This 3, 6 move to the right, up, or move to the right. Wow, why this is what 4 moving only one way, right? Move to the over. At this point, what happened? What happened over here? 6 plus 4 is 1. Now, at this time, the sum of this number is 10. This number also 10, right? Only one way, to the right, to the north. 1 plus 10 plus 10 is how many? 20 different paths. Are you guys with me? You want to try one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you one more, okay? Not 3 by 3, just a very simple 2 by 2. Okay, try this one, 2 by 2, how many different paths? 2 by 2. Here, it is more simple, right? From here to here, how many different ways? Okay, find out.
Two ways.
How many?
Two.
2? No, it's not 2, more than 2. It will be more than 2. Use the number, okay? Okay, you can start with number 1, can move north to the right, 1 and 1. At this point, no adding number, you can go also 1 over here, another 1 over here, right? This is also 1 over here, no adding number, 1 to the right or 1 to the north. At this point, what is that? 1 plus 1 at this point, what? 2 numbers added up. But these 2 numbers move to the right and move to the north. But at this point, what happened? 1 is coming from the west, the other 2 is from the south. At this point, 1 plus 2 is what now? 3, isn't it? This also what? 2 plus 1 is 3, right? But these 3 move up here, these 3 move right over here. At this point, 3 plus 3 again, 3 plus 3 is what? There are just 6 passes. Can you guys understand this method? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. You can do that, okay? Or when you go up the next, maybe a 9th and 10th grade, maybe you can use a combination, repeating permutation. What that means, I'm going to show you, okay, how to get to this one without using this numbering. Okay, 3 by 3, right? We already know that 3 by 3 is what 20 different paths. 3 by 3, okay? Using some other 3 by 3. All right, this is a horizontal line we use by A. This is also A. The length is all A, right? Horizontal, they are all A. But vertical line is B. From here to get the B, we already need what? 3A and 3B, isn't it? We already what? A, and 3B. Already we need what? 3 times of A or 3 times of B. Okay, we can check it out. If you want to check this one, this way. This is a B, this is a B, this is A, this is a B. Horizontal is what? A. Can you see that over here? A, B, right? Yes. It's okay? Can you see that? Okay, now I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, I'm gonna go different way. I'm going this way. This is A, this is a B, this is A, this is a B, this is A, this is a B. Can you see that? 1B, 2B, 3B, what about 1A, 2A, 3A? Also what? There are 3A and 3B. So what that means? You just arrange this number 3, arrange what? In 6 space there. You can use like A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, how many different ways? What is that? This one is what? Permutation of repeating permutation. Whole thing is the number is 6 factorial, isn't it? They are all 6 factorial if they are different. But this one, 3, they are equal. We need to break the order. Break. The other 3 is also same number. Break their order again. That's the answer. Okay, a little hard to understand, right? 6 factorial is what? 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. 3 factorial is what? 3 times, 2 times 1. And another factorial, 3 times, 2 times 1. That is the factorial. 3 times, 2 times 1 is out. This one is, what is that? 6. This is 6 is out. What I got? 5 times 4 is 20. It's gonna have right same number there, right? Can you see that number 20? Yes. This is we said permutation with a repetition. Okay, we're gonna already this 6 letter, but there are 3 letters equal, the other 3 is equal. This is we said what 6 factorial, but we're gonna 3 is identical. We need to break right the order 3 factorial. This is 3 is another equal 3 factorial. Maybe if you had one letter L-E-T-T-E-R. So I'm gonna arrange this letter into the what spaces. How many different ways? How many different arrangements? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. So that is what 6 factorial, isn't it? But this 2 is equal, you can divide by 2 factorial. This 2 t is equal, this divided by 2 factorial. That's the answer. That is the number of arrangement. Is it okay? So 6 factorial is 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1. 2 factorial 2 times 1, another 2 factorial 2 times 1. This is out. This 2 is out. Right, there are a lot. All right. 180 different permutation. This is 30 times 6 is what? 180, okay? A lot. Is it okay? If we have all the 8, they are all 8. How many different ways? Only one, isn't it? A. Same thing. Why this one? 6 factorial. All 6 numbers is equal 6 factorial, right? That's only one way. Okay? All right. But this one you're gonna learn right later, okay? But I just want you to try the numbering, okay? Because the AMC 8, they don't give right, a lot of block, only about 2 or 3, that's enough, okay? You can quickly right, use what the number 1, okay, and find what this intersection lattice point, the numbers are coming to the right, another coming from the down over here, or at this point, they're gonna write add right these 2 numbers. So this number, another choice, move to the right, it can go 3 or can move to the east or move to the north. So that's the same numbers, 3 and 3. But at this point, there are one coming from left, the other coming from south. At this knot, the number will be 1 plus 3 is 4, something like that. Are you guys with me? Yes, the compute. What about Victoria?
It's okay.
It's okay? All right. Uncle Lester has one more. Very simple. From here to here, how many different ways? You know that 2, right? 1, 2, isn't it? You can use what? This number 1 is what? Can move over here, 1 over here. But this number no move right. This is a move over here, this number over here. So at this point, what is that? 1 plus 2 is a 2, isn't it? That's why two different paths, right? Okay. We are doing number 8, number 13. No, number 12. Okay. Now let's try number 12. Okay. So you can read the questions. The magazine printed the photos and 3 celebrities, okay, along with the 3 photos and the celebrity. What is that? Oh, they're the child, the baby. Baby is right, photo, and now they grew up the photo, right? Along the 3 photos. The baby pictures did not identify the celebrities. Okay. Readers were asked to match each celebrity with the correct baby pictures. What is the probability that a reader guessing at random will match all 3 correctly as a fraction? Wow. This is why A, B, C. This is a picture when they grew up. Okay, when they are babies, they have a baby photo. A is a baby is a little a. The babies of B is a little b. Babies of C is a little c. Okay. Do you guys understand the question is? Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So the question over here, what is the probability that a reader guessing at random will match all 3 correctly as a fraction? They're gonna practice, they match this one, this one, this one. Only one way, right? Out of what? How many different ways? This is a little bit hard to understand. Okay, maybe you can try this one. Forget about this one, baby. All 3 arrangement, okay? ABC, 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 or ACB, or BAC, or BAC, okay? Something like this one. I'm going to write ABC, or ACB, or BAC, or BCA, or CAB, or CBA. We have 6 different ways, okay? The young, they grew up, are porous. But in this case, we match what ABC over here. Only one match. ABC, ABC over here, only one match.
Ah.
Okay. 1 out of 6 is the answer, okay? Do you follow me? Do you understand the question over here? This one is a little hard to understand, but there is a shortcut. Okay. Okay, we fix this one. This is, you can fix this one. But they're gonna change this one, okay? This way, or this way, or this way, this way. If we have BAC, they are not matched. If we have a CAB, they are not matched. ACB not matched. BCA not matched. Only ABC is matched. So these guys are only what, 1 out of 6. Are you guys with me? Still confused?
I'm not sure.
Okay, now do this way. Okay, one more times. I'm gonna write picks the baby's port over here, A, B, C, right? I'm gonna pick this one. Now we're gonna change what A, B, C, okay? The reporters of this one, it can be what, A, B, C, or ACB, or BAC, or BCA, or CAB or CBA, right? There are just 6 different arrangements over here. When you pick this one. But how many of this arrangement is what match their celebrity? Only this one is available, right? Only this one. ABC. When you have this one, A, little B, little C, they matched. But this is not matched. 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 Only this is matched out of what? 1 out of 6. Do you understand? Okay, at the class, okay, just think about this one more time, okay? All right, now move on. Number 17. All right. And M are integers.
The
N
answer is
square,
B.
N square is even. Which of the following impossible? Even is what is that? N square, M square is even. How can you get even? Even plus even is even, right? That's correct. Odd plus odd also even, not odd, okay? You have 2 possible cases over here. It's okay, but now, what about N? Okay, for examples, N squared is even. Okay, I'm gonna write just a moment. I'm gonna open here. I'm gonna use this case 1. Case 1, even plus even is even, but this is what? This even should be what? N squared, right? This is an M squared. Okay, what is the N? M squared is N. What is M? Maybe if we are, this is what odd number. 3 square, is this the even number? No, 3 square, odd square always odd. Is it okay? But in this case, what is that? 12 even and should be even. And also even, right? It's okay? Are you guys with me? So one possible answer of the N is even, or the other M also even. Okay, this is N, right? N is even, M should be even. Okay, this is case 1. Now case 2, they said odd plus odd also even. Right? 3 plus 9 is 12, right? Odd plus odd, always even numbers. But N squared is odd. N squared is odd. What is the N? N should be odd number, okay? N should be odd number. And also N, M also odd, isn't it? And together, right? If N is odd, M is odd. If N is odd, M also even. Both 2 numbers are even or odd. Yes. Are you guys with me?
Yeah.
Yes. It's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now take a look. And M are even possible, right? Together even is okay. One is odd, one is even. That is not working. Both numbers are even is okay. Both numbers are odd is okay. But M plus M is even. What is that? M plus M, what that means? Okay, C is a little confused, right? N plus M is even. What that means? Even is what? Both will be what? Even plus even
means
is even. or odd plus odd, also even. So that means what? Oh, both the numbers are even or both the numbers are the same thing, right? Okay. Two numbers what all together even or odd, that's it. But this is okay. But take a look over here. N plus M is odd. To have odd number D, N plus M is odd. What that means? One is even, the other one should be odd, different numbers. Okay, that is odd, isn't it? But over here, our case is what both two numbers are together even or both what odd, not one is even, one is odd. This is wrong. Okay, that's the answer. Are you guys with me?
Yeah.
All right. So after class, you guys will figure out one more time, okay? Because I'm recording this one. Yes, okay. I hope you understand this one. Now, wow, we have a geometry number 14 and 15. But okay. You're going to 7th grade, but we can try, okay? All right, number 14, okay? Number 14, I'm gonna open new pages over here, okay. We have a rectangle ABCD. Oh, they are different sides. One is 5, the other is 6. This is a rectangle. And we have another right triangle there. They have the same area, okay? And joined what to form, they create a trapezoid. Yep, that is a trapezoid. This is the right trapezoid. One of the angle is the right angle, okay? This we said the right trapezoid. What is the length of DE? What is the length of this side? This side, DE. I'm going to do X. What is the length of this side? Area are same. What is the area of this rectangle? 5 times 6 equals 30 is the area of this rectangle, okay? Now let's find the area of this triangle. Oh, the same area. But actually to find this one, we need like 2 lengths of this one, leg, right? One is 5 over here, this is also 5. You got the 1 length because what? This is the hypotenuse. Should be, we use what? Pythagorean theorem, right? So we need the length, this one. This is the height. Take this is the base, this is the height. But this is the base, this is the height. What is the area? Base times height and divided by 2 because it is what triangle. That area is 30. So base is, I'm going to say base. Base. This is C times height is 5 and divided by 2. That's the area of this triangle 30. Times 2 times 2, that is 60. When you divide by 5 and 5, this base number equals 60 over 5 is 12. Oh, this length is 12. Do you remember? We have 5 and 12. What is this length? This length is called what? We did it yesterday, right? Victoria, do you remember? Pythagorean triple or right triangle triple, 5, 12, and 13. You don't need to work. Or you can use Pythagorean theorem, 5 squared plus 12 squared, that is 169 equals to 13. But this one is about 5 and 12 and 13. We said right triangle triple or Pythagorean triple. That means well, all these 3 side forms of right triangle. Okay, 3. Do you remember Victoria? 3 to 4 to the 5 and 5, 12, 13. The next is what did I say? 15, 17. Okay, most popular one, okay? Memorize this one. So this is already what right triangle, one leg is 5, the other is 12, the hypotenuse is 13. That's the answer, okay? Chan, are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, now let's try this circle one more, okay? I think I understand, okay, on your grade, maybe number 15, let me see, 16, 17. Okay, maybe it looks a little hard for you, but once you understand, that is not any more hard. Okay, we're gonna try some more questions, okay? All right, that is out of your range, your grade range, but we can try, okay? Some more questions. All right, number 15. What are you guys know what is the circumference? Circumference is about the length of this circle. We said circumference. Circumference, this is what the pi times diameter or 2 times pi times the radius. Do you guys know this one? Circumference, the length of this arc. Entire arc is called what circumference. This circumference can be obtained by using this one, pi times diameter, or diameter is 2r, right? 2 times the radius, 2 pi r. Did you guys understand this formula?
Yeah.
Victoria, you understand? It's okay?
Yeah.
Pi times diameter is circumference. All right. So now it's anyway, try this one, okay? Center divide into 12 equal arc. This is arc. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal length. This is equal. They are all equal. All right. What is the number of degrees in the sum of angles x plus y? This is x over here, y over here. What is the sum of these two angles? Wow, this is a little hard, but you gotta know this one, okay? When you have a circle over here, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use, okay, correct circle. This is a circle. When you divide arc, you exactly 4 equal arc. When you divide by 4 equal arc, that's equal, right? Same thing. What about this angles? What about this angles? What about this angles? What about this angles? They are all equal too, right? Length of arc is equals this we set central angle at the center. Their central angle also what? Equal, right? You understand? This is what equal this one, okay? 4 equal lengths. So each one had what? This central angle is 90 degrees. 360 divided by 4 equals 90 degrees. This is the central angles. But this is a 12 equal, wow. 12 equal, each one has 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 12 equal, okay? But this is what, 90, this is 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Each one is 3, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, that is 12 equal, right? So this is the same angle also. What? So 90 divided by 3 is what? Each angle is how much? 30 degrees, okay? If we have 2, 30 degree times 2 is about 60 degrees. Looks like this one. Each one has 30 degrees, but this is about 1 and 2. This one should be 60 degrees, right? Are you guys with me?
Yeah.
This is also a 2 equal lengths, still 60. Okay. Okay, now let's find. This is 60. This is equal, right? Which is the radius. Okay, this is 60. This is, radius means equal means this is isosceles. These two angles also equal, right? It's okay. So 180 minus 60 is about 120. They are equal divided by 2. Each one is also 60, 60. This is actually an equilateral triangle. So why is it 60? What about over here? This is 60. I'm not going to use the exterior angles here, okay? I'm going to use it by supplementary angle. All the way straight line is 180 degree. One of the angle is 60, the other angle is 120 degree, right? Also, these two sides are radius. They are equal, which is isosceles. These two angles are equal to, this is also x. So 180 minus 120, 60 degree. You can divide it by 2, each angle is 30 degree. Okay, now the value of x is 30, the value of y is 60. What is the value of x plus y? 30 plus 60 is 90 degree. It's okay? How do you think? Is this hard for you? Yes? A little hard?
No.
No, you can do that, right? All right. Okay, that is number 15. Now let me see if let me check, okay? If the which is hard, I'm gonna skip it. Okay, number 16. Okay, number 17. Okay, number 18 probability. Okay, maybe we need a little more work on this probability. All right. Number 20, I think you can do that, even though the number 20 is hard. You guys know, right, how to get the area of a circle. What's the formula to find the area of a circle? Did you guys remember? Can you tell me? If we have a circle over here,
Yes, sir.
this is radius r. What is the area of this circle? What is the area of this circle? Do you remember? Pi times r squared. You never know, you never learned this one? What about Victoria?
I think I might have like learned like a little bit of it.
Oh yeah, so you
Maybe
didn't
a little.
learn this one, okay? All right. Okay, better memorize this one, okay? When you have a circle, this is the center. The name of this circle, the circle has the name, right? You can say this circle, name it was circle O. Using this center, it has name, circle O. If you want to use it with some other letter, right? This radius, the area of this circle is pi r square, area circumference of this circle is pi times diameter. Okay, memorize this one. Okay. But this is pre-algebra. We did this one. Not yet. Okay, I'm going to skip this one, okay? You guys didn't do that. All right. Okay, this is circle, okay. Okay, we can try. Okay, can you guys read number 16? Can you guys figure out what the question is? Okay, try this one, okay? Try to understand what the question over here. Yeah, the middle school age basketball conference has 8 teams there. Every season, each team plays every other conference team twice, home and away. So we have 8 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teams. All right. They have some games is twice, right? So twice. If you have this one, 2 games. Okay, 2 games. And each team also plays 4 games against one non-conference. So over here, this is inside, okay, there have the game over here a lot. And in addition to that, this is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teams. But these teams also can have a game with one non-conference opponent. Okay, non-conference opponent. Also 4 games. This is what how many of you we don't know, but each one has played 4 games. Maybe there are 4 components, something like that. 1 games, 2 games, 3 games, 4 games, something like that. What is total number of games in the season involving middle school 8 teams? Can you guys try this one? Okay. Try something. This is already know there, right? Non-conference team is what each game is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teams. Each game is 4 is what 8 times 4. There will be what 32 games. These 32 games is what is that? To the what? Non-conference opponent. But how many games are there inside the what conference teams? How many games? Maybe you can try this, okay? This game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you have a game of here 1, but this game is actually 2 games, right? So anyway, this is a 1 of team A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times game, but each game is 2. 7 times 2 is what? 14 games, isn't it? With what 8 teams. Is it okay? With this first team got to have what 14 games inside the conference team. Now, second guys, this guys we did already. You can go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is what 6 times 2 is what 12 games. Now we're at the 14 games, 12 games. Is it okay? Now this guys is C. These guys we don't go back a bit. They played already. They finished it. 1. This guy C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 5 times 10 games. The next will be what? 8 games. The next will be what? 6 games. 4 games. 2 games. Last one is 2 games, isn't it? The last 2 games, okay? Last 2 teams, they play the game, they're 2 games. This is the total number of games inside our reference teams, inside our conference team, okay? Are you guys with me? How many games are there? 16, 16, 16. 16 times 3, right? There is 48 games. We still have what is that? One more 8 there. 8 plus over here. Sum of all this number will be 56. But out of what? Non-conference team, 32 games. Total is how much? 56 plus 32 will be 88 games. That's the answer. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So when you count, right, 2 numbers, this is we said handshake. Handshake method. Shake. When you have three guys, how many handshake? 1 handshake, 2 handshake, and 3 handshake, isn't it? You have a 4 or 5, 1 handshake, 2, 3, 4 handshake with this number 1. The next is what? Okay, this number is 4. The next one, this guy's how many? 1, 2, 3 guys, 3 handshake. We use this guy's 1, 2. So it's always up to the number 1, right? That is the number of what? Handshake. That's okay. That's why we got this. But each right games is what 2 games. That's why it multiplies by 2. Okay. Actually, this is how much? 8 games is what? 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. But each game is 2. That's why I multiply by 2 already. Okay. 14, 12, 10. Last one will be 2. That is total number of games. It is okay? All right. Okay, we're gonna try one more question over here, okay? Just one more. Okay, we're gonna try the last times. This is the last time we did it. We did a lot. I just planned to have around 13 and 14 questions. You guys is what did so well. That's why we did more than 13. Okay, up to 13. We didn't do. Oh, we did a number 19 too. We did a number 21 too. Wow. 25. Oh, okay. This is a lot. Part is this is the first. Okay. All right. All right, number 17 is okay. Number 18, we might have a chance. Tomorrow we can try this, okay? Okay. We're gonna try this one. Number 25. This is what 25. Maybe this is what difficult level. How is the difficult level, right? Okay, we can try this one, okay? Yeah, instead of write this one, we're gonna do this one. Okay, let's see. This is number 25, MC8. But yours is 6th grade. But I think you guys can challenge. I'm gonna explain, okay? We have 1 inches squares are cut from the corner of 5. This total is 5 inches. But 1 inch is out. 1, this is out. This is out. This is out. So this one is only 3, right? 3 inches left. So in this 3 inches left, we're gonna place a square, largest square again that can fit into the remaining largest one. If you have released this one. In the middle. Is this the largest one? When you make the line, there's empty over here, right? That is not good. Largest one, this area is not largest one. Maybe if you pass this one, pass over here, right? That can be largest one, isn't it? This one is what? Wasting area over here. So the idea is inside the square should be past what? This point. This point. To have this point, maybe it is a move a little to the right of it, right? That is better. Paint. But in this case, it has what? Wow. It should, right? Matched over here. Just 1 minute. This way. This way. Okay, very similar, right? Yeah, this is the best one. Looks so big, right? Okay, so we're gonna find the area of this square. Area of this squares. That's the largest one. You know that. How to find this area? Wow, this looks hard. Looks hard. But once you know that, that is not anymore hard. Okay.
Is the answer C? Is the answer C?
Answer is C. I don't know. Okay, we try. Okay. Yeah, I'll check. Okay. I don't know this guy. I don't have right now. Answer key. Okay, maybe. Let me check. Okay, this one is 2015, right? No, this is, yeah, that is 2015 AMC 8. Let me check. Okay, just give 1 minute. Oh, this is the AMC 8. That's good 1 minute. AMC 8 problems. Okay, got an article problem solving. That is 2015. Number 25.
Do you also do something like AMC 12?
C is the answer. Okay. C is the answer. Okay, how can you find this one? Like you have several ways to this one, but I'm not gonna go by the typical way. Okay, the easiest way, maybe you can divide this, right, the squares in 2 different ways. Maybe you can make this one. One is this is still, this is what is that? Squared, isn't it? This is also squared, right? What is there is squared? From here to here 5, 1 is out, here to here to 3. So this side is 3. This side also 3. Okay. So inside the square, how much? 3 times 3 is what? 9, isn't it? When you have this one. Inside, this one is 9. Now at the next. We need to find the area of this 4, right? But these 4 areas, they are same area. This area equal this area equal this area equal this area. Same area, right? That's okay. This is a congruent, right? This is what length is hypotenuse equal. This is right angle. This is, they are all congruent. How can you find this area? Can you find this area? Yes, you can find this area. What is the length of this base? What is, I'm gonna make right, we're gonna, this is right, triangle, right? Triangle. Base is what, still 3, isn't it? Can you see that? This length is same thing. Where is height? 1 is height, this is height. Yeah, this is simple. This area looks like, the area, a triangle looks like this way. This is base is 3, height is 1. What is there in this one? Base times height and divided by 2 equals 1.5. That's the area of this one of the triangle. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. There are 4 equal triangles in there times 4. 1.5 times 4 equals 6. Yeah, they're all 6 over here. Total area how much? 9 plus 6 equals 9 plus 6 equals 15 is the area, but this possible largest area. That's why you got the answer number 15. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Very good. This is number 25, right? So actually, because you guys were only 6th grade right now, that's why it looks hard. But if you going to 7th grade or 8th grade, AMC is just so easy, isn't it? Right? But we need a lot of practice because what some students, they got all correct 25 in the given time. Okay. So actually, once you learn the AMCA, that is nothing. So easy questions. What that means, you have to write a lot of right practice. Okay. Same type of questions. And the shortcut. Okay. Without using formula or shortcut, we never solve right 25 in the given time. Okay. So we learned to write this one, okay, continuously, okay? So it'll be okay. So don't think AMC8 is hard. Just write, you have to accept AMC8 is nothing. So easy questions, okay? Just what you didn't learn yet, that's why, okay? All right, now we finish today's work, also tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow, okay, our last section is summer section. So we'll continue if you have a chance. So some of the students already they want to continue this one, okay? Next one on September. So if you guys want to really join that class, you can join that, okay? All right. So I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow it should be 12:30, okay? All right, tomorrow will be at 12:30. Sorry about this, okay? So I couldn't make right time 12:30 today, okay? All right, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much. Okay, bye everybody.